We all have our own reasons to want to protect the environment. It's about the feeling you get when you seek the challenges in nature. Enjoy its quiet serenity. Harness its extremes. Allow yourself to connect with it. Or stop and admire its beauty. We at Nature Valley are passionate about those things too. That's why we are supporting our national parks. With our contributions and your help, we can keep America's parks healthy for everyone. We want to ensure our future generations can fall in love with nature just as we have. Our passions and adventures may be different, but the fuel is the same.